So we've managed to get the GS running. We've managed to get a clutch fitted. We know it rides. We've managed to do some engine work and also fix the ABS. Now it's time to make it so it's ready for a little adventure. I have these that came with the bike. Bargain. But I also have these, which are the brackets supposedly for these panniers, for this bike. No instructions, no idea how you fit them. So let's fit them and hopefully we can make it adventure ready. Right, I've never fitted these, as I've already said. Let's get them unwrapped. Okay, so first of all, I didn't actually realise they were brand new. I thought he just said he bought them. Okay, let's get the other one undone. Okay, they are brand new. So now we just figure out how you fit them, what size what, and where they go. So we have one side pretty much mounted up. It ain't easy. The instructions are pretty crap. I've just got numbers and photos with no actual recognition of what bolts actually are. So at the moment, I'm just winging it, and I think I'm winging it pretty well. But it's on this side, it's just loose. I'll do the other side, and then we'll have to fettle it, as Ed China would say, to get foot pegs and stuff back on. But yeah, it should. I mean, it clears the old exhaust, but I feel like it needs to come this way. I don't know how much it was. I've no idea about any of it. So it might be it's a really cheap system, might be worth something. It might not line up very well. So it just feels like it needs to come that way. But we will figure that out.
Like the morning, mouth wide open like they yawning. Every time they see me, they in G-Shock. Homie, this is too far. Homie, I feel too alive. You can see me like Illuminati. You can see me like Illuminati. But I'm shining so bright, so bright. Don't come and try to share some of this light now.
So that is the mounts on. So obviously mount here. I've turned this one around because it fits better and doesn't come off with an angle. That goes under the peg. You get 2 bolts for that. Then you've got a bar across the back here that goes to both. Underneath this one, use original bolts. Same again, that one, twisted that one around to make it so that it brings it in, so it's not poking out of the top. That one there, bracket in there, and that's it. It does come with an indicator mount, which I'm not sure where they go yet. I'll have a look at that in a sec. So there we have, the panniers are now fitted with the new brackets. Now I did look these up last night. This bracket's about £300 that came with the bike. The panniers, I'd imagine there's some Touratech knockoffs. I had to modify them to get them fitted and even add a little bolt in there for stability, just in either bottom side. Just thought I'd bring the bike out. I've come down some dirt tracks just to get a feel for it. But yeah, now the panniers are on, we're able to go on little adventures. So as you've seen, the panniers are now fitted with the rack that came with the bike. I mean, for £400 for the bike and the panniers, really can't go wrong. They work really well. Obviously, I'm not really using them for their full advantage at the minute. I've brought the bike out for a little ride, found some little dirt tracks, and I'm going to continue on the dirt track and get home, and then hopefully I'll be able to give it a clean.
try to share some of this light now. Give me a beat and I control it like a maestro. Ladies on a mission, they be trying to get me wiped up. Shawty, wait a minute, can't tell if I like ya. Gotta make sure you know how to shake it like a bartender. Team with me and they all winners. And you know we ballin' all winter, all summer. Jewelry around my neck is lightning, but I'm all thunder. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Place your bets on us. Get your money and flip it, yeah. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Place your bets on us. Get your money and flip it.
So there you have it. We've made the GS an adventure bike, what it was always built to be. But this adventure bike cost £400. Yes, we fitted a clutch, we've done a service, we've done engine work, we've fixed the ABS, but it works. The bike's been out today on an off-road track, and it did its job. I may have got stuck a little bit, but I also went to the shops and picked some screen wash up on the way back. There's not much that this bike probably can't do, and it is quite fun to ride. So next time, hopefully, we're looking at the brakes on the GS, as they're not the best in the world, and obviously, you want them to work on a bike. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget, like, subscribe. I'll see you next time.